Hi friends, with 10.0.45, we have a very powerful ability in Dynamics 365 Finance and Operation whereby you can attach a file to your Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations Copilot. By saying files, I mean you can add a screenshot or you can browse a file for its attachment. So we can extend this property to use this to integrate Dynamics 365 Copilot with SharePoint. This this short video is aimed at doing so. So requesting you to watch it till the end, whereby we are going to ask the Copilot with a prompt like this: can you help me upload a file to SharePoint? If I say this, let's see what the Copilot says. It's asking me to please upload the file here now. So if I am going to attach the file by browsing it to a location like this, and I say here is the file. So if I hit enter, it's going to tell me the details of the file, like file received is equal to this, the content type is equal to image or JPEG, and it's processing for furtherance. And finally, it's saying file uploaded to SharePoint successfully. So if I go to SharePoint and I see like what is happening at SharePoint, so I've created a document library called Copilot. And if I just refresh this page, it's going to show me the attachment that I just uploaded. So you want to see how is this done? Let me take you to the Copilot Studio and show you how I have designed this. With that, let me take you to the Copilot Studio. I have created a very simple topic called SharePoint integration from Copilot, where I have defined few phrases like file upload, upload files to SharePoint, file uploader, like that. I have created these phrases to trigger this topic on, as to which I am expecting the Copilot Studio to prompt back the user with the file. So I am asking the user to upload the file here now, and I am saving the response as a file, as of type file. And in the next step, I am basically displaying the details of the file, which are the file received is equals to. So this is where you can show the name of the file. How can you do this? It's very simple. So I have done as first in bracket system.activity.attachments, then .name. So if you say that, it's going to get hold of the list of the attachments that you are uploading. So obviously it could be one file or more than one file. You are grabbing the first of this attachment. In our case, it's just one file. I'm getting that file's name by saying first in that inside the bracket system.activity.attachments and then name. And then I'm saying the type of the file, that is the content type, is equals to, if I click on this, it's going to show me first, once again, the system.activity.attachments, then content type, whereby we are going to get the type of the file. Is it a PDF file or a image file or a Word file, etc. So I am just canceling this and going back to the Copilot Studio Designer. This is where I am integrating my file system with my SharePoint. So I am just clicking on this plus icon and I'm going all the way down to inside adding a tool, and inside my connector, I am just saying create a file. So it's going to take you to creating a file from SharePoint. It's just don't be confused with, there are so many other types of file creation systems, file systems, Google Drive, OneBox, OneDrive, so many options are there. You have to select the SharePoint create file. So here I am creating the file by providing these parameters. You can give the site address, which is my SharePoint site. You can select the folder path, which is what I've created and I was showing in my previous step. So this is the document library which I have created and into which this file got uploaded. And this is the file name. The file name is what I was showing you in the previous step. Like, file name is very simply you can get by saying first in bracket system.activity.attachments. I'm getting the first amongst the attachments, which in our case is always one, and dot name. And finally, we are passing on the file which the user has uploaded, the file content. This file content is nothing but the file which the user has uploaded. And this execution is going to return you the record of the file which you have created. So the file just got created and uploaded into the SharePoint site and is going to give you the response as the result of the creation, which is nothing but a record, the record of the SharePoint site. Finally, I am saying it back to the user, saying that file uploaded to SharePoint successfully. So this is just an example of how can you attach your file from Dynamics Finance and Operations into SharePoint using Copilot. You can guess it's a game changer. So you can use this kind of integration to assess what is the file that the user is uploading to the system. You can read from the file by using AI Hub of Power Apps. You can easily do that by calling the AI Hub's built-in document. There are so many document processes already available. You can call that from the Copilot. You can call it from a prompt, or you can call it from our Power Apps, or you can even call it from a Power Automate Flow. So which is so many options are there, and certainly we can explore more in our forthcoming sessions, requesting you to please take a look and try it from your end, and let me know if you need any assistance. And thanks for watching. Please stay subscribed. And once again, much love, Subhashish.